We got the fire going. Now I'm just going to go in, prep the duck breast, and then get it on. Okay, duck breast. I'm going to take it out of the vacuum pack. I'm going to score the top like you would normally do, and then throw it in the smoker. This is a little bit of an experiment for me, so I don't think it's going to be a very long video, but I'm trying this. I've always wanted to try this, and let's see what happens. Make sure you have a nice sharp knife. You don't want to cut the meat, you just want to score the skin. So, nice cross patch pattern there, and let's just take that piece off. Take a little bit of this off, don't like that fat. I'm just going to salt and pepper it and then get it on. There we go. That's simple. Let's go. Back at the smoker. Let's get it on. On that side. See you in a little bit. Oh yeah, but I think I'm going to let it go at least 45 minutes. Just let it go, come back, take a peek, and see where we're at. I've never done duck breast this way before, usually in a frying pan. Today, a little bit of an experiment. I love it. Back outside. It's been about an hour. The fire's been a little tricky today. The wind's coming the wrong direction and yada yada yada. So, first time, I haven't opened it. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that. That is looking good. I'm going to actually take the temperature because I don't know where I'm sitting at. A few minutes longer, that's all. Oh yeah, that's looking so good. The moment of truth. I pulled it off. I've let it rest for a few minutes, and we're going to cut into it now. But again, sharp knife. Oh, you know what? Cut this way. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. Not quite rare like people like it. I like mine a little bit more done. Medium. Oh, let's go. I gotta try this. Oh, that's tender. Oh. Wow, that's good. Definitely a winner. This little experiment worked. So I will definitely do duck breast this way again. Oh yeah, nice smoky. The crust, the skin actually crisped up pretty good. Got a little bit of smoke ring. Success. Thanks for watching, everybody. I know this was a quick one, but sometimes that's just how it is. this experiment turned out really good. I'm really happy with it. And again, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you feel like it, and happy eating, everybody.